Yeah.
And we talked earlier about ARV, and as a real estate investor going into the purchase of the house, we need to know what our exit strategy is going to be and what that ARV or after repaired value is. And so how do we come up with that after repaired value? We talked about this a little bit earlier, but we'll revisit this topic. So this is about the after repaired value. So anytime we actually pick up a property, before we even go and pick it up, we do some evaluation on that property before we even go out to see it. One of those things is to determine what we believe that after repaired value is, or the ARV.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about how we do that?
Well, that number is very important in real estate investing because that is going to tell you what the property is worth, and you can work all your numbers backwards from there.
Yes.
So that is probably the most important thing. One of the most important things you can do is get what the property is worth, figure out that value. And so the way that we do it is, I know lots of different ways to do it. And we have a fortunate ability that I am a licensed real estate broker here in Washington State, and here in the Seattle area, I still have my license here. So I'm able to use the Northwest MLS to find comps.
Yeah.